Hi guys. In this video, we're gonna do some counting. We're gonna go from 1 to 100, more or less. Feel free to pause the video, slow down the speed down there, whatever corner it might be, and pause, repeat after me, whatever you might need. Maybe this is a little bit too basic, but everyone is at their own speed and their own pace, so feel free to pause or just simply listen to some numbers and let's count. Okay, let's do 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First 10. Let's keep going. 10 to 20. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 10 to 20. Let's do 20 to 30, shall we? Okay. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, 30 to 40 now. Remember, repeat after me, pause, slow down the video, take your time, just listening. I'm just counting. Okay, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40. Okay, 40 to 50, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 50. Okay, we made it halfway. Let's do another half, the other half. Okay, 50 to 60. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 60. All right, we keep going. 60 to 70. 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Okay, 70 to 80. Let's go. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Almost there. Okay, 80 to 90. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Almost there. Almost there, almost there, almost there. 90 to 100. Okay. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. We did it. 100. Okay. Remember, play this back, play it in the background, slow it down, repeat after me, pause it, just listen, whatever you might need. Be patient with yourself, and let's practice some English, shall we? Hope to see you in the next one.